Hi guys, welcome back to TechTotalTools. My name is Rambabu. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Without delay, we start the session. In this video session, I will explain how to install Terraform on Ubuntu server step by step. These are all steps how to install Terraform on Ubuntu server. Steps how to install Terraform on Ubuntu server. Update the system package first. You also do apt-get update. Now you can start. First command is sudo apt-get update. Sorry, we can check it. This system configuration. You name -g. It is 18.04 Ubuntu Lava. Ubuntu 18.0. Sudo apt-get update. Next, go install wget and unzip. Next command is sudo apt-get install apt-get install wget unzip. -y. Next, download the package, Terraform package. This is URL. This is URL. Copy the URL. Paste it here. Press enter. Yes, downloading successfully. Next, extract that package, unzip that package. Terraform. Terraform. Next, move that folder into user local bin. Move that file into user local bin. Move Terraform. Without this step, Terraform will work in this current folder only. Now, Terraform version. No, 0.12.18. Okay. Thank you for watching this video session. Thank you. Thank you very much. These are all steps. Again, I will tell you these are all steps. Thank you. Thank you very much.